Hello dear students, once again welcome back to our channel. In this video we are going to solve exercise 8.2. All the problems comes under this exercise. We are applying the values of some specific trigonometric functions, that is when theta equal to 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. Okay, we know what are the ideas we are applied in order to get that answer without any mistake. Okay, and if you know those values, you can easily reach into the correct answer. Okay, now we are moving to the first question, and under this first question we have 5 subparts. Okay, so the first question, evaluate the following. Evaluate means find the value. Okay, by substituting the values, by solving, you can easily get it. Okay, that is the first one, sine 60 into cos 30 plus sine 30 into cos 60. See children, in order to get these values, write down these values, I would say that complementary relation will help you. We know that the complementary angle of sine is cos. Okay, and angle if 30, the sum of the angle is 90, so sine 30 and its value is, see children how that can be applied in order to get the value sine 60 children. What is the complement of sine? That is cos. Cosine, cotangent, cosec, that idea I had explained in the previous video. So cos, and what is the complement of 60? 90 minus 60 is 30. So sine 60 and cos 30, both the values will be the same. And we know how to write down the first row, that is sine values, these 5 trigonometric ratios, that is values, that is 0, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree, 90 degree. Sine 0, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. And we have seen that sine 60 and its value equal to cos 30, and sine 60 here we know root 3 by 2. So we can easily substitute this value of sine 60 as from the first row root 3 by 2. So in order to get the first row, that is sine value, okay, we don't want the help of this complement, because the first row would be better to by heart, that is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. In order to get the remaining ratios, okay, cos, tan, cosec, sec and cot, that complementary relation, reciprocal relation, quotient relation, or everything will help you to get into the correct answer. So into cos 30, what is cos 30? See children, cos 30 equal to sine 60 we have seen by applying the complementary relation, and that is equal to root 3 by 2. Plus, what is sine 30? That is 1 by 2 into and cos 60. See sine 30, if we have sine 30, the complementary angle of sine is, ratio of sine is cos, angle is 60, that is sine 30 equal to cos 60. So we need cos 60 and that will be equal to sine 30, so 1 by 2. Okay, so root 3 into root 3 is 3, 2 into 2 that is 4. Multiply the numerator and the denominator. Okay, plus 1 into 1, 1, 2, 2s are 4, so 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, that is 3 plus 1 whole divided by 4, or we know that is equal to 1. So this is the value of the first question. Okay, now we are moving to the second question. Here we have 2 tan square 45 plus cos square 30 minus sine square 60. Okay, we are going to substitute the value. I will make you more easy by problem after problem. It will be very easy for you. 2 into tan square 45. See children, in complementary relation, cotangent. So the complementary function of tan is cot, and angle 45 comes, 45 value both are same, that is sine 45 divided by cos 45. Sine 45 is 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2, that is 1. So tan 45 equal to 1, and that is also equal to cot 45. Okay, so 2 into tan square 45 is actually tan 45 whole square. Okay, that is, what is tan 45? 1 square is 1 itself, plus cos square 30. We have just seen that the value of cos 30, complement of cos is sine, and 30 degree 60. So sine 60 equal to cos 30. And what is sine 60? That is root 3 by 2. That is root 3 by 2 whole square. It is clear, children? That is cos 30. In order to get the value of cos 30, write down the complementary function of cos, that is sine and angle 60. And in the from the first row, sine 60 is root 3 by 2. And cos square 30, that is square of that value, that is root 3 by 2 whole square. Minus sine square 60. Sine square 60, we have seen that is equal to root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, for the next step, children, see here plus root 3 by 2 whole square minus root 3 by 2 whole square, that get cancelled. So the final answer is 2 ones are 2. Very simple. Now we are solving the third question. Cos 45 divided by sec 30 plus cosec 30. Okay, so before solving, we have to substitute the values. That is, we should know cos 45, sec 30 and cosec 60. Okay, so from the table, we have that idea. That is, if you know the first row, that is 0, 30, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. For sine value, sine 0, 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. That is, we need cos 45. Cos 45 in the complementary relation you can apply. That is sine 45 and its complementary angle of sine is cos and angle is 45. So the value of sine 45 and cos 45 both are the same. So 1 by root 2 is sine 45 and cos 45 also 1 by root 2. It is clear, children? So you can substitute the values cos 45 as 1 by root 2 divided by sec 30. Sec 30, children, it's a reciprocal of cos 30. Okay, sec and the reciprocal relation 1 by sec theta equal to cos theta, or cos theta 1 by cos theta is sec theta. Okay, so in order to get the value of sec 30, you think of what is cos 30 and cos 30 and sine 60. Because 30 plus 60 is 90 complementary relation and cos and sine. So cos 30 and its complementary angle is cos 30, cos becomes sine and complement of 30 is 60. So that is cos 30 equal to sine 60, and what is the value of sine 60? That is root 3 by 2. So, and it's reciprocal because we need sec 30. Okay, not cos 30. So sec 30 is reciprocal. So 2 by root 3. So 2 by root 3 plus cosec 30. Cosec 30 is a reciprocal of sine 30. What is sine 30? That is 1 by 2 and its reciprocal is 2. So plus 2. It is clear, children, how this can be easily get from the first row. Okay, we applied complementary relation as well as reciprocal relation. So we are going to simplify this 1 by root 2 divided by 2 by root 3 plus 2. Okay, so I am making any change for the first, that is the numerator is a fraction 1 by root 2 divided by, this can be grouped. The denominator, two terms. Why? Because term, they are connected by plus sign. Okay, we can't multiply 2 2s, that is wrong. That is possible only when they are connected by into. So you can cross multiply. Okay, 2 ones are 2 plus 2 into root 3, 2 root 3 divided by root 3 into 1, that is root 3. Now we have, here in numerator is a fraction, denominator is also fraction. Or this is of the form a by b divided by c by d. So what to do? You are keeping the numerator fraction without any change by taking the reciprocal of the denominator, that is d by c, that is, and multiply. This is equal to a by b, no change for the numerator, but multiply with the reciprocal of c by d. D comes in the numerator, d by c. That is the idea we are going to apply over here. Okay, that is 1 by root 2, no change, into root 3 divided by 2 plus 2 root 3. Okay, now we have two factors for under multiplication. So multiply the numerator and the denominator. Okay, so 1 into root 3 is root 3 divided by root 2 into 2 plus 2 root 3. That means we have to multiply both the terms with the root 2. It is clear? So root 2 into 2 is 2 root 2. 2 root 2, okay, and plus, and what will be root 2 into 2 root 3, root 2 into 2 root 3. See, actually root 2 is 1 root 2, okay, so 1 into 2 is 2 and root 2 into root 3, that is root a into, we know that root a into root b is root ab. So multiply the number inside the square root, okay, and together you can write under the square root. So root 2 into root 3 is 2 3s are 6, so root 6, okay, that is 2 root 6, okay, so plus 2 root 6. Hope the idea is clear, children. Step is okay. So after getting this, okay, see the denominator is it is an irrational number. That means you have to rationalize. Okay, that means the denominator must be a rational number. We have seen that this is an irrational number. How this can be rationalized? By multiplying this fraction by taking its irrational factor. That is, if the terms are connected by plus, you have to multiply with the minus. Okay, that is 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 divided by 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. That is the next step. Okay, that means in the next step you can write this in the form, this fraction has no change, that is we are just multiplying with its irrational factor. Okay, that is root 3 divided by 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6, no change for the fraction which we obtained in the previous step, into, by changing this connection sign, that is 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 divided by 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6. Okay, again we have two fractions for multiplication. So multiply numerator and denominator. Okay, so root 3 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6 divided by, see children, in the denominator we have 2 root 2 plus 2 root 6 into 2 root 2 minus 2 root 6, that is a plus b, a minus b, identity. What is a plus b into a minus b, children? A square minus b square. Okay, here in place of a is 2 root 2, so 2 root 2 whole square, 2 root 2 whole square minus b square, 2 root 6 whole square. Why? Because a plus b into a minus b is equal to a square minus b square. This is the reason. Okay, and in the next step, here the root 3 is outside. That means you have to open the bracket by multiplying both the terms with the root 3 outside. Okay, that is, see children, root 3 into 2 root 2. Here I already told root 3 means 1 root 3. Okay, so that means we are, see children, how we are multiplying x into 2x, okay, or 3x. That means we can multiply this number with the coefficient of x, that is 2 into 3, that is 6x. Okay, that means the same way we are multiplying here 1. Okay, here in place of here children 2 in 2x into 3x square or x into x square. How x into x 3x square can be multiplied? This will be suitable for this one. That is x into 3x square. Coefficient of x is 1, so we will multiply the coefficient 1 into 3, that is 3, x into x square, x cube, loss of exponents. The same way here that number is 1 in place of coefficient. If you think it like that, no problem at all. 1 into 2, 2, and root 3 into root 6, root a into root b is root ab, so root 6. Okay, the same way here root 3 into 2 root 6. Okay, that is here you can multiply 2 into root 3 into 6, 18, that is 2 root 18. Okay, that comes in the numerator, that is 2 root 6 minus 2 root 18, isn't it? Root 3 into root 6 is root 18 divided by, next comes, see what will be 2 root 2 whole square? 2 root 2 whole square, that is what is AB whole square? AB whole square is A square into B square, that is square both factors. The same way 2 square is 4 and root 2 whole square is 2. Square root and 2 get cancelled. So 4 2s are 8 comes here minus. The same way 2 root 6 whole square, 2 square is 4 and root 6 whole square is 6 only. So 6 into 4, 24. So minus 24. Idea is clear, children, how this can be simplified. Okay, and see the numerator, you just read 2 root 6 minus 2 root 18. 2 is common, right, children? So I am going to take outside that 2. That is, I am taking 2 common from both the terms in the numerator. So 2 into root 6 minus root 18 divided by, both are the constants, 8 minus 24. 24 minus 8 is 16 and its sign is negative. Okay, that is negative 16. Again you read this, 2 into root 6 minus root 18. So 2 into, so that means they are connected by into, so that being the multiple of 2 is 16, you can divide, that means 2 in 16, 8 times. So what happens? Here in the denominator reduced into minus 8. But what is numerator? Root 6 minus root 18 divided by minus 8. See children, if we have a fraction with a negative sign, the denominator having the negative sign, then usually how can we write, children? See children, look into this example. 2 by minus 3. Will you write in this form or this form? Okay, can you equate, or can you equate this negative sign to the numerator? Then you can make the denominator free from the sign. Both are the same. Okay, that is 2 by negative 3. The standard form is you have to keep the denominator as a positive integer by keeping the negative sign to the numerator. The same idea we are going to apply over here. Okay, I am going to give this negative sign to the numerator. Okay, so which means negative of root 6 minus root 18 divided by 8. Okay, so being the numerator having 2 terms, this negative sign for both the terms inside the bracket. So multiply with the negative sign. So negative into root 6 is negative root 6 and negative into negative root 18, negative positive. So I am writing that positive root 18 first. Okay, so final answer is root 18 minus root 6 divided by 8. We need one more simplification because root 18, children listen, inside the bracket, in the under square root, 18 can be written in the form root 18 is, can you write in this way, 9 into 2, that is 3 root 2. Okay, or prime factorization you will get to 3 root 2. Okay, so this root 18 can be replaced in the form 3 root 2 minus root 6 divided by 8. This is the value of cos 45 divided by sec 30 plus cosec 30. It's very, very important. Okay, so many ideas we applied here. Okay, first thing is we have rationalized, okay, by taking the irrational factor, being the denominator is an irrational factor comes. Okay, so multiply and applying this a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Okay, so many small ideas we applied in order to get the last form of this problem. Okay, I think the idea is clear. Yes. Now the fourth question. here sine 30 plus tan 45 minus cosec 60 divided by sec 30 plus cos 60 plus cot 45. Okay. So, we are going to first substitute the values, okay, without any mistake. For that, we are using the first row. What are the values of first row, children? That is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. This is 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degree, and this is for the sine value. Okay, and sine 30. Sine 30 means 1 by 2. So, this is equal to sine 30 is 1 by 2, okay, plus tan 45. Tan 45 means tan 45, cot 45 both are 1. That is equal to 1. That is sine 45 divided by cos 45. By quotient relation, tan theta equal to, or tan 45 equal to cos sine 45 divided by cos 45. Sine 45 is, what is sine 45? 1 by root 2. And cos 45 also 1 by root 2, because they are complementary angles, okay, complementary to each other. So, 1 by root 2 divided by 1 by root 2 is 1. That means tan 45 is 1. Okay, so plus 1 minus cosec 60. Cosec 60, in order to get cosec 60, what idea which help you, children? That is the reciprocal of sine 60 is cosec 60, and sine 60 value is root 3 by 2. Its reciprocal is 2 by root 3. Okay, that is minus 2 by root 3 divided by the denominator sec 30. What is sec 30? Sec 30 is reciprocal of cos 30. Okay, what is cos 30? Sine 60. Okay, sine 60, but because complementary to each other. Okay, 30 then 60. So, 30 plus 60 is 90. Is it clear, children? And the complement of cos is sine. So, cos 30 and sine 60, and sine 60 value is root 3 by 2, and its reciprocal, that is 2 by root 3. 2 by root 3 for sec 30 plus cos 60. Cos 60 and sine 30 both are equal. So, sine 30 is 1 by 2, okay, plus cot 45 1. Cot 45 and tan 45, we already have seen that tan 45 is sine 45 divided by cos 45. So, 1. Okay, so these are the values you will be getting after substituting the values. Okay, so this reduced into this form. Now, the normal calculation, okay. So, here we have a fraction, and in the numerator we have 1 by 2 plus 1 minus 2 by root 3 divided by 3 terms are there, and they are connected by plus and minus. Okay, so what to do, children? In order to simplify, first to find out its LCM. Rather than the cross multiplication will be easy when we have 2 terms. Okay, if we have more than 2 terms, it would be better to write down, find the answer using the LCM method. So, the 2 and root 2 comes in the denominator. So, LCM is 2 root 3. Okay, so we are multiplying each terms with the LCM 2 root 3. Okay, so children, 2 root 3 into 1 by 2, see, 2 root 3 into 1 by 2. So, 1 by 2, this 2 and 2 get cancelled. So, root 3 comes here. Okay, so this is equal to root 3. So, 1 means 1 by 1. So, 2 root 3 into 1 is 2 root 3. Okay, minus 2 root 3 into 2 by root 3. Root 3 can get cancelled. So, 2 into minus 2 is minus 4. It is clear, children, this is the way, that is 2 root 3 is LCM, multiply with 2 by root 3. Okay, this is the term. So, root 3 get cancelled, 2 into 2 4, and the we minus sign. So, then answer term is third term is minus 4 divided by LCM 2 root 3. So, the first numerator, its simplification is over, okay, by finding the LCM, and the second one, that is the denominator. Here also we have 3 terms, and root 3 2 comes in the denominator. So, LCM is also 2 root 3. Okay, so we can multiply with each term with its LCM. See, children, 2 root 3. So into 2 root 3, right? I think that step is okay to everybody. Root 3 get cancelled. So 2 into 2, 4. Here 2 and 2 get cancelled. So root 3 into 1. So plus root 3. So 2 root 3 for the third term. Okay, since only 1. And divided by its LCM 2 root 3. Step is clear, children? So as usual, children, in the previous case, in the previous example, A by B divided by C by D, fractions are there in the numerator and denominator. So that we can keep this numerator without any change by taking the reciprocal of the denominator. Okay. So before that, children, this root 3 plus 2 root 3, both are like irrationals. That means you can add, just like the variables. Okay, see, children, can we add x plus 2x because they are like terms, same variable. In place of variable, you just think of the irrational number, that is root 3. That means you can add. Root 3 means 1 root 3. So 1 root 3 plus 2 root 3 is 1 plus 2, 3 root 3. So this together you can write. What is it? Just like here 3x, right? The same way this together make 3 root 3 minus 4. So can you cancel this 2 root 3 and 2 root 3? Because when it take the reciprocal, that get cancelled. So in the denominator, here, children, 4 is a constant. 4, here also root 3 plus 2 root 3 comes. Okay, that means here 1 and 2. So 3 into root 3. So after simplification, this reduced into this form. But again, children, the denominator is we have to rationalize. This denominator is an irrational number. Okay, that means you have to find its irrational factor and multiply and divide. That means it will be of this form: 3 root 3 minus 4, multiply this fraction, okay, by the irrational factor. That is, since they are connected by plus, you can multiply with 4 minus 3 root 3 divided by 4 minus 3 root 3. Steps are clear, children? Since they are connected by plus, this number should be connected by negative, minus sign. So multiply the numerator and denominator. Yes, children? So here we have 3 root 3 minus 4 into 4 minus 3 root 3 divided by, see, children, 4 plus 3 root 3 into 4 minus 3 root 3, a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square, that identity. Okay, that means a square, 4 square minus 3 root 3 whole square. This is because of identity a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. Okay, now how this numerator can be simplified? Can we apply any of the identity? No, children, because here a plus b, a minus b is not possible. Okay, and a minus b, a minus b, because a are different. So just multiply, open the bracket, that is term by term multiplication. That is only possible. That is, we can multiply these terms with the first factor in the first fraction, first bracket, that is root 3 into 4 minus 3 root 3 minus with 4. You can multiply the second factor, that is 4 minus 3 root 3 divided by this 4 square is 16 minus 3 root 3 whole square, 3 square is 9 and root 3 whole square is 3, that is 9 3s are 27. Idea is clear, children? Okay, yes. Now we can multiply, open the bracket, okay, using multiplying with 3 root 3 outside. So 3 root 3 into 4, that is, we can multiply this 3 into 4, 12 root 3 minus 3 root 3 into 3 root 3, 3 root 3 into 3 root 3, 3 3s are 9 and root 3 into root 3, 3, that is 27. Minus, now we can multiply this second term with a minus 4 outside, 4 4s are 16 and minus into minus plus. 4 3s are 12, 12 root 3 divided by, in the denominator 16 minus 27, that is negative 11. Negative 11. Idea is clear, okay? See the numerator, children. Numerator you can further simplify. Why? Because here you can see 12 root 3 and 12 root 3. Like irrational number, that is irrational factors are the same. That means you can add those two irrational numbers, okay, just like the variable. See children, 2x plus 2x. How this can be added? Two coefficients can be added the same way. Here in place of coefficient you can take this 12 and 12. 12 plus 12, that is 24, by keeping the rational factor same, just like the variable. Okay, that is 24 root 3. So 24 root 3, and we have constants also. 27 minus 27 minus 16, that is minus 43. Minus 43 divided by negative 11. And as I told, if the negative comes in the denominator, in the standard form we have to give the negative sign to the numerator. Doesn't affect its value. That is the way we have to solve in order to get the last answer. That means I am going to this negative sign for the numerator, that is having both the terms. So this negative sign is for both the terms inside the bracket, that is negative 24 root 3, and in the next step negative into negative become positive 43. Okay, after giving this negative sign to the numerator, this is free from the negative sign. So I am going to multiply over here with the negative sign. So negative into negative, I am writing positive quantity first, positive 43 and negative 24 root 3 divided by 11. This is all about this fourth question. Little bit lengthy, but if you are carefully doing, okay, without making any mistake in the value substitution, okay, you can easily get into the final answer. Now the fifth question. Here we have to find out the value of this expression, okay, by substituting the values of the trigonometric ratios for specific angles. Okay, see the first question, 5 cos square 60, we should know the cos square 60, then sec 30, 45, tan 45, sin square 30 and cos square 30. Understood? So how this can be solved, children? Okay, for that we know that the first row will help you to find out the values easily, that is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. This is 0, 30, 45, 60, 90 and this is sine, okay, sine theta. Yes, how this can be applied over here without any mistake? Yes, children. So 5 cos square 60 means 5 into cos square 60. That means 5 into cos square 60 and sin 30. Okay, cos 60. Okay, what is the complement of cos? Sin, and 30, this 60, 30. And what is sin 30? That is 1 by 2. So cos 60 equal to sin 30. So 1 by 2 square. That is cos square 60. Idea is clear, children? Plus 4 into sec square 60. Sorry, 30. Sec 30, okay, equal to the, what is complement of sec? That is cosec, and 30, 60. Okay, children? So cosec 60. Cosec 60 is the reciprocal of sin 60. Sin 60 is root 3 by 2. That is 2 by root 3. Okay. So 2 by root 3 whole square. Why? Because here sec square 30 minus tan square 45. Sin 45 divided by cos 45, that is 1. Tan 45 and cot 45 is 1 divided by, here sin square 30 plus cos square 30. If you know that identities, that is sin square theta plus cos square theta is 1. You can directly apply over here because theta measurement angle is same. Because of the first identity, you can easily write down the first, that is denominator as 1. Or children, cos square 30, or if you want to substitute in that way also we can solve. Sin square 30, sin 30 is 1 by 2 whole square plus cos square 30. Cos square 30 means cos 60. What is cos 60? Cos 60 is root 3 by 2 and its whole square is root 3 by 2 whole square. Okay, because cos square 30. So we can solve this numerators, that is 5 into 1 by 4, 1 by 2 whole square, 1 square divided by 2 square is 4, plus 4 into 2 by root 3 whole square, 2 square 4 divided by 3, okay, minus 1 divided by, this will be 1 because 1 by 2 whole square 1 by 4 plus root 3 by 4 whole square is 3 by 4, 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4 is 1. Or in the that identity if you can apply, you can directly write that also 1. Provided this measurement, this angle must be same, isn't it? If here sine square 45, here cos square 30 comes, we can write. Understood? That should be noted. So in order to get this, simplify this numerator, 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3, 4 4s are 16 minus 1. Denominator 1 means we are not writing that in the next step onwards. Yes, 4, 3 and 1. You can find LCM and you can multiply with each term with the LCM. So 4 and 3 LCM is 12. So 12 into 5 by 4, 16 into 5 by 4, okay, 16 by 3 into 12 minus 1 into 12 divided by the LCM 12. Okay, just multiply each term with the LCM 12, whole divided by LCM. Okay, and this 4 into 12 3 times. Oh, okay. So 5 into 3 is 15 plus. Okay, here 12 and 3, here 12 and 3 4 times, and 16 into 4 is 64 minus 12 divided by 12, LCM 12. See children, here we have 15 and minus 12. 15 and minus 12 is positive 3. Okay, and here already 64. So 67 comes in the numerator divided by 12. So this is all about the 5 sub questions which comes under the evaluate the following. Okay, now we are moving to the second question. Here choose the correct option and justify your choice. Okay, here the question is 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30. We have given 4 options. Okay, we can substitute the values. Okay, that is 2 into tan 30. What is the value of tan 30 children? That is 1 by root 3. Because sine 30 divided by cos 30. Sine 30 is 1 by 2 divided by cos 30. Cos 30 equal to sine 60. Isn't it? So sine 30 is 1 by 2 divided by, and cos 60, that is in complementary relation, both are the same. So that is cos 30 equal to sine 60. So root 3 by 2. Okay, 2 get cancelled. So 1 by root 3 is tan 30. Okay, by quotient relation. So 2 into 1 by root 3 divided by 1 plus tan square 30. What is tan square 30 children? Tan 30, then take its square. Tan 30 we have seen that 1 by root 3 whole square. So 1 by root 3 whole square. Okay, so 2 into 1 by root 3 is 2 by root 3 divided by 1 plus, if you square a square by b square, so 1 square is 1 and root 3 whole square is 3 itself. So 1 divided by 3. When you square 1 by root 3, you will get to 1 by 3. Okay. So we can again further simplify this denominator 2 by root 3 divided, because both the terms in the denominator connected by plus sign, you have to cross multiply. Plus and minus sign comes cross multiply. So you can make it as 1 by 1. So 3 into 1 3 plus 1 into 1 divided by 1 3s are 3. Okay. So 3 plus 1 become 4 divided by 3 in the denominator. That fraction reduced in the form 2 by root 3 in the numerator, no change for this one. But here in the denominator fraction 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. So again here a by b divided by c by d is take the reciprocal of the second, that is d by c. So 2 by root 3 into reciprocal of 4 by 3 is 3 by 4. So 3 divided by 4. They are connected by into so that you can reduce, cancel the common factors. Okay. So 2 into 1 time, 2 in 4, 2 times. So children, here 3 and root 3. Okay. And we know that this root 3 into root 3 is 3. Or x can be written in the form root x into root x. This is very important result, children. So if we have root 3, you have to write 3 in this manner, that is root 3 into root 3. So what happens? If you replace this 3 as root 3 into root 3, okay, by using this result, the 3 can be expressed in the form root 3 into root 3. So 1 root 3 from numerator and denominator get cancelled. So finally what we got, here we have root 3 in the numerator and 2 comes in the denominator. Okay, so after simplifying 2 tan 30 divided by 1 plus tan square 30, we got root 3 by 2. But here these options are in trigonometric ratios. Okay, for this different angles. Okay, so root 3 by 2, this is equal to, what is the value? This root 3 by 2 is for which value? Okay, that means we know that in sine 60, that is 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. So root 3 by 2 goes to sine 60. Okay, so you can equate this root 3 by 2 equal to sine 60. And you can see that this sine 60 in the given options. Okay, that is the first option is the correct one, sine 60. Okay, you think this root 3 by 2 equal for which trigonometric ratio? Okay, and what is its angle? That is for sine 60 degree. Understood? Now the second question, that is 1 minus tan square 45 divided by 1 plus tan square 45. We have to simplify this question by substituting the values, okay, correctly. So here the trigonometric function is tan square 45. Tan square 45 means tan 45 whole square. What is the value of tan 45, children? I think now it is almost clear to you. Tan 45 is sin 45 divided by cos 45. In that case, in that manner you can write down the value, or tan 45 and cot 45 both are equal to 1. Okay, so we can substitute the value as 1 is already there in the first term, that is 1, and tan square 45 is tan 45 whole square, that is 1 square, tan 45 equal to 1, divided by 1 plus tan square 45. Okay, that means 1 square again. Okay, so 1 minus 1 square is 1. Okay, so 1 minus 1 in the numerator 0, divided by 1 plus 1 is 2. So what is 0 by 2, children? Okay, 0 by 2 is 0 itself. Don't misunderstand that, children. Don't confuse this value, that is 0 by 2 is 0, but 2 by 0, when 0 comes in the denominator, it is not defined. Understood? In that case, not defined, but here it comes 0 by 2 is 0 itself. Understood? So the correct option is D. Now the third sub question. Here sine 2a equal to 2 times sine a is true when a equal to. Okay, this is not always true. Okay, this is, we will be equal only when a takes a particular value. We have to find out the measure of angle A. Okay, for that we have given 4 options. Okay, we can take one option and we can substitute, and whether if LHS equal to RHS means that will be the correct answer. The A takes the value of 0. Otherwise, we can check the next value, and otherwise the third and fourth we can substitute. Okay, so let us start with when A takes 0. Okay, So sine 2a means sine of 2 times angle A. So sine of 2a equal to sine of 2 into, we are taking when A equal to 0 degree. Okay, so 2 into 0 is 0. So you can equate this as sine 0. What is the value of sine 0? The first row, 0. See, we are starting that trigonometric ratio, that table, from 0 to 1. That is cot 90 is 1. Sorry, 0. Okay, so 0 and 0. Starting with 0, ending with 0. Okay, so sine 0 is 0 and cot 90 also 0. Okay, so sine 0, its value is 0. Now we are going to take its RHS, that is 2 times sine A. We are going to substitute the value of A as 0. So 2 into what is 0? Sine 0? 0. That means 2 into 0 is 0. Okay, when we are substituting A as 0 degree, we have seen that sine 2A equal to 2 times sine A. So here A equal to 0. I will show you by taking 30. If you are substituting for A equal to 30, what is going to happen? See children, so I am going to substitute here sine of 2 into 30. So here we got for A equal to 0, LHS equal to RHS. So A is equal to 0 is a correct option. Okay, let us see what happened for the 30. If you are taking A as 30. So that is what I am going to do now. So 2 into 30 is 60. Sine 60 and its value is root 3 by 2. Okay. Yes. Now what is RHS? 2 times sine A. So 2 times sine, we substituted A as 30 degree in the second case. Okay. So sine 30, what is the value of sine 30? Sine 30 is 1 by 2. So 2 into 1 by 2. See children, 2 into 1 by 2 get cancelled. So that means RHS equal to 1 and LHS we got root 3 by 2. Okay, so we can say that sine 2A equal to 2 times sine A when A equal to 30 degree. The same way you can see that for 45 degree, if you are taking the measure of A as 45 degree and 60 degree, LHS is not equal to RHS. So this will hold, that is sine 2A equal to 2 times sine A only when A takes the value as 0 degree. So the correct option is 0 degree. Hope that idea is clear children. Now the last question, that is fourth sub question, 2 times tan 30 divided by 1 minus tan square 30. Here also we have given 4 options. Okay, we can substitute correct value of tan 30 and we can solve. Okay, that is 2 into tan 30. What is the value of tan 30? 1 by root 3. Okay, those who feel difficult, you can apply this quotient relation, that is sine 30 divided by cos 30. Cos 30 the value is sine 60 complement relation, that is root 3 by 2. So 2 get cancelled, so 1 by root 3. Okay, or you can by heart the value, that is 1 by root 3 divided by 1 minus tan square 30. That is tan 30 whole square. Tan 30 we have already seen that 1 by root 3. 1 by root 3 whole square, that is 1 by root 3 whole square. Okay, so 2 into 1 by root 3 is 2 by root 3 divided by 1 minus 1 by 3. 1 square is 1, root 3 square is 3 itself. Okay, so here the denominator, 2 terms are connected by negative, so we have minus sign. So that means you have to cross multiply. Okay, and there is no change for the numerator fraction. 2 by root 3 divided by, okay, 1 by 1. Okay, so 3 ones are 3 minus 1 into 1. 1 by 3 ones are 3. Okay, and you will be getting 2 by root 3. Okay, take the reciprocal. This 3 minus 1 become 2 by 3. Okay, so 3 by 2. 3 by 2, 2 get cancelled. And we know that if root 3 comes and 3 is in the numerator, and you can express that 3 as root 3 into root 3 because x is equal to root x into root x. Okay. So, here this 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3. So, root 3 from the both numerator and denominator get cancelled and we have root 3. So, after simplifying, you got the value as root 3. Here in terms of angle measurement, trigonometric ratios, for some specific angles its values are given. So, root 3 satisfies, we know that cos 60 is 1 by 2, okay, and sin 60 root 3 by 2, and tan 60 is root 3, that is sin 60 divided by cos 60, that will be root 3, and sin 30 is 1 by 2. So, here the correct option is tan 30, or this is equal to root 3 equal to tan 60 degree. So, this always will confuse children. See children, here tan 30, you by heart this value 1 by root 3 and tan 60 degree equal to root 3. Okay, in place of here tan 30 is equal to, we know that complementary relation, tan its complementary ratio is cot, okay, and 30 complement is 60. So, this is equal to 1 by root 3. Okay, that is what is the value of tan 30, that will be equal to cot 60. Okay, the same way tan for the tan 60 cot 30, okay, equal to root 3. So, root 3 is okay for cot 30 also, tan 60 also root 3, and 1 by root 3 is for tan 30 and cot 60. But here the option is given as the value, that option is in terms of tan 60, so that is the correct option. Now, the fifth question, state whether the following are true or false. Okay, and we have 5 sub question comes under this last question, fifth question, and the first one is sine of a plus b equal to sine a plus sine b. We have to check whether this hold for all measures of angle A and angle B. Okay, for example, I am taking, let A as 30 degree, A equal to 30 and B equal to 60. We defined only for some specific angle, that is some must be the known angle, that is 0, 30, 45, 60 and 90. Only these values we know. So, some will be, doesn't matter, if you add A plus B, that is B equal to 30 degrees. So, A plus B equal to 30 plus 60 and this is equal to 90 degree. We know the sin 90 value we know. Okay, let us children, we can solve that first question. Sine of A plus B, A we can substitute in place of A 30 and B 60 equal to sine 90, right? This sum will be 90 and we know the sine 90 and the value, that is the first row, that last entry, that is 1. And we can substitute for what is LHS, it is given sine A plus sine B. Okay, that is in place of A you can write sine 30, okay, plus sine 60. What is sine 30? 1 by 2. Okay, and here what is sine 60 children? Root 3 by 2. That is root 3 by 2. Okay, you will be getting 1 plus root 3 divided by 2. But what we have got here? Sine of 30 plus 60, sine of A plus B is equal to 1. Here sine A plus sine B. If you substitute the same angle for sine A plus sine B, we got the different answer. So, you can say that this is a false statement. This is false. Understood? And the second one, the value of sine theta increases as theta increases. That is, we are familiar with the first set, that is first row, that is sine 0, 0. As theta increases, we know that what is 30 degree, 45 degree, okay, 60 degrees, increasing order, isn't it? And also we know the value, that is 0, 1 by 2 greater than 1 by root 2, Okay, 1 by root 2 is greater than 1 by 2 denominator, here the smaller one, okay. That is here sine 60 value is root 3 by 2, root 3 by 2, and finally, okay, increasing order is greater than this root 3 by 2, sine 90 is 1. Okay, so that means that is the value of sine theta increases as theta increases. Here we have arranged the measure of angle in an increasing order. So, this is a true statement. True, this statement is true. And next one, the value of cos theta increases as theta increases. Okay, we know how to get the value of cos in increasing order, just to reverse its order. Okay, that is this is for sine, this is sine theta. Okay, and in the third question it is given that the cos theta also increases as theta increases. Okay, so what is the value of cos theta? Just reverse the order from this 90 to 0. So, 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. How can we say that this theta increases? Okay, see 1 and it end with the 0. So, it is decreasing order. Okay, here sin cos 0 is 1, here we got cos 90 is 90, less than 1. Okay, 0 is less than 1. So, this is a false statement, false. Yes, next is sin theta equal to cos theta for all values of theta. That is wrong again, because we know that if you substitute the value of theta as 0, that means sin 0, we know that what is sin 0? Sin 0 is 0. Okay, and cos 0, see children, this is 0 and cos 0 is 1. How can we say that is 0 equal to 1? So, it is a wrong statement. So, okay, so this is also false. Okay, but this will be equal when theta equal to 45 degree, complementary angle. Okay, see children, sin 45 and cos 45 are the same. Same way cot 45, tan 45 and sec 45, and that is equal to cosec 45. Okay, but for all values of theta, so it will be a false statement. Cot A is not defined for A equal to 0 degree. Okay, not defined. Not defined means denominator, if 0 comes in the denominator, in that case we are saying it is not defined. Okay, and we know by quotient relation, cot A, cot 0 can be written as cos 0 divided by sin 0, isn't it? And we know that what is cos 0? Here the value comes, is there. So, 1 divided by sin 0, 0. So, 0 comes in the denominator, which means this is not defined. 1 by 0 is not defined. That means the last statement is a true statement. So, this is the way you can check whether the given statements are true or false by taking the different angles, okay, and you can easily get into the correct conclusion. Okay, so thank you children, thank you for watching and supporting my channel. This is all about the exercise 8.2.